Hey, this is CryptoCruz once again with another crypto market update with CoinFinancial. And if you like this type of content, again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel down below. Just click on subscribe and like. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified with all my latest videos and uploads. All right, so now let's get on with it. Oh man. FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. You know, I was not expecting that at all, right? That is something that you really can't see in the charts. But again, like I said, there's no certainty, right? There's no guarantee in investing and trading. But we did have a lower probability of going to the downside, right? The probability is still there, and I guess the lower probability is winning right now. There is still some light. uh, a lot of people are now calling for the 13K. Yes, the probability of us going to 13K has gone drastically up, okay, but there is still some light. I can show y'all right now. The probability of us going to 13K has become 50-50, right? We kind of bottomed out. This is the weekly chart. It still looks good as far as the Bollinger Band, okay. The MACD is turning to the downside. Actually, it's reversing, okay. The good part is we're still separated. If we can recover from this and keep on going up, then that's a good sign, right? Kind of like what happened here. We were going down, but we recovered and started going up, okay. And what was happening here, let's take a look. What was happening there, it was around here. You see, we made a correction, actually turned into somewhat of a bull flag, and then we kept going up. So here there is gonna be no such thing as a bull flag because we weren't going up to begin with. That this was a drastic up, right? We weren't going up here to begin with, okay. So what we're looking here, we have to zoom in. This is the weekly chart. Again, the Bollinger still looking pretty good. What we don't want to do is, again, this Bollinger to start pointing down. When this thing starts pointing down and this thing starts pointing up while we are still down here, that's trouble, okay. So there's still a chance, but right now it has become 50-50. So if we go to the 4-hour candle, I'm gonna draw this. This is what I see, okay. We can argue that this could be an inverse head and shoulder, right? Inverse head and shoulder being a bull sign. That's one bull signal, bull indicator, okay. And I will show you right here when we go down. Actually, if I can draw. Yeah, there you go. If we go, let me do that. If we go down right here, up, down. Let me just do that again right here. Down, up, down, up, down. That is an inverse head and shoulder, and that's actually a bullish pattern, okay. So this usually goes up to the upside a lot more than going to the downside. But what I also see is if we, let me turn off my pencil. If we go to our trend line and start from here and go all the way down, looks like, actually, I'm gonna change that up. There you go. All right, if we do that, trend line, touch points, that looks good right there. Those are some nice touch points. And then we go form another trend line at the bottom down here. Those are some pretty legit touch point right there. All right, now what we have here, that is a symmetrical triangle. that actually goes 50-50 either to the upside or to the downside, right? So symmetrical triangle is 50-50 to the upside and 50-50 to the downside. What we want to do here is wait to see where it will break. The only advantage we have here is that inverse head and shoulders pattern that formed within this symmetrical triangle. That is the only advantage we have here, okay? So let's say it does break to the upside. Where is our target? So in order to measure that, you go from the bottom of that symmetrical target all the way. Shoot, I have my magnet on. Let's turn off that magnet. Disable magnet. All right, let's try that again. The bottom all the way to the top right here, just straight vertical line. Okay, a lot of people go to the very top, but we'll be conservative and just go straight up vertical like that. And what you do is you simply drag that to where it may break out. Usually when it gets squeezed out, it breaks out. So if we break to the upside, our target here is going to be around 19,700. If we break to the downside, our target here, oh, look at that. It's actually close, really close to this support line right here. So this is just charting 101. That's, I'm not setting any of this up like it's a setup, right? It's just the way things work. It's crazy how it gets really close to our support line. Then so what I was looking at actually was 14,000, and it's very close to that. So this line right here is 14,100, 14,200. My support line is right around 14,000. Where it's right there, actually 13,900. So let's just say 14,000 is our target if we break to the downside. Now, if this actually breaks earlier, I mean, this is assuming this breaks later, but if this breaks earlier, we are gonna end up pretty much right at that target, right? You all see that? So again, that's our target to the downside, 14,000. Target to the upside is right around 19,700, 19,800. That's how you measure that symmetrical triangle breakout. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now. We just have to wait for the breakout. Okay, there's no telling. It's 50-50 right now. Again, the only advantage may be a slight probability that we do break to the upside because of the inverse head and shoulder bullish pattern that you see here. That's a wick, but if you zoom out more, it actually becomes clear. You see, if you zoom out more, actually zoom in more, sorry. Let's go to the 30-minute, see? Yeah, it becomes more of an inverse head and shoulders pattern right there. Okay, put more candles out there, but either way you look at it, it's there. And again, also the symmetrical triangle. All right, other than that, that's it. As far as the FTX and Bankrupt news, yes, they are going bankrupt. It's so crazy. They stopped withdrawal again. That is, I did not expect that coming. So that's why we had a drop. But again, according to the chart, there was a low probability that would happen. So what are the chances that would happen to FTX? See, it all correlates, right? But the, what do you call that? The market, the inflation data showed up, and it's actually pretty good, right? So, and Bitcoin is actually holding pretty well amidst all the bad news. So just stay strong. the best strategy right now, this is actually a bargain right now. Like Bitcoin is going on a Black Friday sale right now, an early Black Friday sale. So the best strategy, my opinion, if you are not day trading, is to just dollar cost average. Don't go all in on one lump sum in Bitcoin. Instead, buy some now. If we dip to 13K, then buy more. If we don't dip to 13K, at least you were able to buy at these prices. And if we start going back up, then dollar cost average up, right? Just wait for those dips. Uh, just wait for those dips while we're going up. Wait for the dip and then buy. Go up, wait for the dip and then buy. That's how you dollar cost average when we're going up. When we're going down, obviously, you wait for these big dips and then you buy, right? Pretty much you're just waiting for the dips and then you buy. Okay, so I have more in-depth training on that in my Patreon group. Also, I've been running my Patreon group for about a month now, actually exactly a month now, and I have dropped 171 successful trade signals. Even in this bear market, even when we started going down on November 8th, November 9th, we heard the bad news that FTX started going down. I was still able to manage to close over 10 from November 8th to November 9th. I was managed to close over 10 trades, winning trades at a 1% gain each, right? So if you want those trade signals, again, disclosure down below in the description. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything you see here is my opinion only, and it's what I do personally. And my trade signals are actually the trades that I take myself, and then I drop the trade and then I take them. All right. So only for $11.99 a month. The link down below if you want to give it a shot. I also give out all my top picks per month. But hey, we're here to win. I'm here to help. So I'd just like to see everyone succeed. And again, just wait for this breakout, okay? All right, just stay level-headed and stay calm. And dollar cost average, hold strong. All right, till next time, bye.